Gottron's papules, dermatomyositis, HLA-B51, Bassett syndrome, Fibrin 1, Marfan syndrome, Homer-Wright rosettes, neuroblastoma, medulloblastoma, Tick's Hallpike maneuver, benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, anti-GBM autoantibody, good pasture syndrome, anti-hemidesmosome antibody, bullous pemphigoid, pulsus paradoxus, cardiac tamponade, hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase deficiency, Lesch-Stein syndrome, hypersegmented neutrophils, vitamin B12 deficiency, cardia, site of Merrill-Weiss syndrome, fundus, site of stress ulcer, body, pacemaker cells, interstitial cells of Kajal, antrum, site of celiac stomach, incisura angularis, site of gastric ulcer, amyloid stroma, medullary CA thyroid, treatment of papillary thyroid carcinoma, near total thyroidectomy plus radioiodine and radioisotope, bleeding from nipple, duct ectasia, duct papilloma, CA breast, biopsy, simple mastectomy, Paget disease of nipple, commonest appendix tumor, mucinous carcinoma, acute tubular necrosis, urine sodium more than 40, nail half sign, uremia, necrotizing papillitis, salicylate poisoning, Alport syndrome, hematuria, nephrocalcinosis, sarcoidosis, distal RTA, milk alkali syndrome, increased urinary potassium excretion, hepatitis, rectal prolapse child treatment, thrush wiring, Crush syndrome, acute renal failure, contracted kidneys, chronic glomerulonephritis bilateral, chronic pyelonephritis, and chronic renal artery stenosis. RCC origin, cortex, hirsutism, hyperplasia of gums, characteristic of phenytoin, lamotrigine carbamazepine, Steven-Johnson syndrome, acute dystonia caused by haloperidol, EEG in epilepsy, 3 Hz spike, absence seizure, selegiline treatment, inhibitory effect on neurodegeneration, Parkinsonism, green nail syndrome caused by pseudomonas, treatment by ceftazidime, fluorodesis for treatment for recurrent pneumothorax, cardiac tamponade, drug doxycycline, intractable hiccups treatment, chlorpromazine, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis treatment, riluzole, imipramide, safe antidepressant in children, lardaceous spleen, diffuse amyloidosis confirmed, rectal biopsy, hemochromatosis treatment, phlebotomy, PANCA characteristic, microscopic polyangiitis, CANCA vaginal granulomatous, hydrated cyst, water lily sign on ultrasound, hemangioma MRI, light bulb image, liver metastasis, commonest from GI tumors, Pringle maneuver, elective hepatic resection, traumatic liver, leave in shunt, peritoneal cavity, SVC, central stellate scar, FNH, CCT with nodular enhancement, hemangioma, ankylosis pus, amoebic liver abscess, bleeding varices, esophageal surgery, portocaval nascent, veno-occlusive disease in hepatic vein, hepatomegaly, hepatic fibrosis, arytenoidectomy with ectopia lentis in both eyes, Marfan syndrome, hemophilia with rheumatoid arthritis, analgesic of choice, acetaminophen, autoimmune destruction of platelets, SLE, shrinking of lungs, SLE, Kawasaki disease treatment, IV immunoglobulin, Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, vesicular rash around ear, facial nerve palsy, Vagabond's disease, pediculosis corporis in homeless people, Kaposi sarcoma, HHV8, congenital syphilis, syphilis rhinitis, saddle nose deformity, cutis marmorata, cold temperature, eutrophonium, preferred in diagnosis of myasthenia gravis, Tensilon's test, vagal stimulation of heart, increase RR interval in ECG, atropine toxicity treatment, physostigmine, wall-like corneal deposits, chloroquine, amiodarone, chlorpromazine, indomethacin, sustained neutropenia, carmustine, limustine, semestine, anti-TB associated hypothyroidism, ethionamide, flu-like symptom with anti-TB drug, rifampicin, Dapson side effect, hemolytic anemia, hepatotoxic drug in TB, isoniazid, in leprosy best bactericidal agent, rifampicin, 22 gauge IV cannula, blue, massive bleeding, 16 gauge used, French in Foley's catheter, diameter of catheter, best guide for management of resuscitation, urine output, metabolic acidosis, renal failure, pancreatic or biliary fistula, uterosigmoidostony, diffuse effacement of podocyte on electron microscopy, minimal change disease, Grattage test, psoriasis, Goicarbon regimen, UVB plus coal tar, psoriatic arthritis commonest, oligoarticular, pustular psoriasis treatment, retinoids, albumin infusion for parenteral use restricted, it is costly, post-burn patients, hyperkalemic acidosis, TPN complication, metabolic bone disease, hypophosphatemia, essential fatty acid deficiency, increased potassium concentration, Darrow solution. After uterosigmoidostomy, hypercholemic acidosis. Most common site of peptic ulcer, first part of duodenum. Most gastric ulcer associated, O blood group. Bleeding duodenal ulcer, gastroduodenal artery. Perforated duodenal ulcer, modified Graham's repair. Gastric outlet obstruction diagnosis, saline load test, treatment, TB plus enterectomy/GJ, Brody-Steinberg test positive, saphenofemoral incompetence, posterior tibial vein, most common vein to get thrombosed, Cauchet-Tod's operation, subfacial ligation, migratory thrombophlebitis, pancreatic carcinoma, pulsating varicose vein in young adult, arteriovenous fistula,